And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera, looking towards the east actually, but just seeing how the sunlight is just kind of bouncing off the church there. We did have a lot of sunshine today. 11 degrees is where we're at. We actually got down to -9 at 7 a.m. this morning, and 11 is what we achieved at 3 p.m. and that is our daytime high so far. Winds are out of the south at, well, they're very light, 15 kilometers per hour. Our humidity is very low. Our temperatures are looking very healthy. In Lethbridge, we should be right around 12 degrees for average temperature, so we're not that far off the mark. Areas all around looking pretty healthy as well. A couple of single-digit numbers there, but a lot of double digits as well. What we're watching is the flow out of the Pacific. Once again, rotation around a low-pressure center in the Pacific, which will eventually be impacting us if everything stays true to form the way it's shaping up right now. That precipitation mostly right now being isolated into the interior of BC. Vancouver's expecting to see some showers probably Wednesday on, but this system isn't totally organized right now. It's just kind of ramping up over the next few days. On this side of the Continental Divide, of course, you can see things are really quiet here, and they'll remain that way for the next 2 days. For Tuesday and Wednesday, things are looking pretty quiet. We just got some high, thin cloud pushing off the mountains, kind of breaking off from that system, trying to make its way through BC, but we're just picking up that high, thin cloud right now. That'll all change. If everything stays on track, looks like we have showers starting on Thursday and then moving into a chance of flurries as we get into Saturday. We've got some wreck house wind warnings out for Newfoundland, Labrador right now. Big low pressure center anchored in Quebec, rotating around, creating far field effects from it. We're looking at a pull down of cooler air in Manitoba. Through the Maritimes, though, turning to, from the snow that they had on the weekend, turning to shower activity as temperatures have rebounded a little bit. So expecting periods of rain for most areas over the next few days. There you go with the cooler air mass, -2 degrees in Winnipeg. Not doing too bad in Regina and Saskatoon, 3 and 4 degrees. 7 degrees in Edmonton, 14 on the coast in Vancouver. And like I said, next couple of days, they're looking at sunshine, but as that low intensifies, they're turning to periods of rain midweek. For Whitehorse and Yellowknife, both locations looking at a couple of sunny days and then the return to flurries, especially in the Yellowknife area as they head towards the weekend. For East Kootenay, you're looking at a few clouds tonight, 0 for a low, 19 for a daytime high tomorrow, mainly sunny skies. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. Beautiful day tomorrow for you folks in Cranbrook. Get out and enjoy those nice conditions. Clear skies overnight tonight in Crow's Nest Pass, -6 for a low, 15 for a high tomorrow. Winds will be out of the east at about 20 kilometers per hour. For Medicine Hat, clear skies tonight down to -5. Lots of sunshine for you tomorrow. 16 degrees. Southeast winds at 30 kilometers per hour. It's always nice when you get those warm temperatures and the wind isn't going to blow you over. For Lethbridge, we're looking at clear skies tonight down to -3, 17 for a high tomorrow. Mainly sunny. Southeast winds maxing out at about 30 kilometers per hour by mid-afternoon. There's your 5-day forecast, looking at a couple more days of sunshine, and look at that 20-degree value on Wednesday. And then we lose the area of high pressure that's protecting us. We get a little bit of pull down of cooler northerly air, and that low on the BC coast looks like it'll start to slide into southern Alberta if the trajectory stays on track. And we could see flurries on Saturday when the temperatures drop down to 6 degrees for a daytime high during the day, and then minus values overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. There's your record temperatures for the next few days. Some real old ones, some that are close to, well, yeah, almost 100-year-old, some of those records. April, we don't tend to break a lot of them in recent years. They tend to be long-standing records. So that's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.